Hi, today we're going to go over a secRMM property called Require MDM Enrollment. And if we just look at the computer management console on an endpoint and look at the secRMM local interface, this is what the property looks like. So don't be scared of it. There's a lot of things you got to put here, but it's not really that bad. So at the top, we're going to tell that we want to turn this property on, and then do we want to enforce it when the mobile device mounts or when the end user tries to copy a file to it. And then here we have two selections. We can pull the data directly from Intune, or we can pull the data from the SCCM Intune connector. Obviously, for performance reasons, and if all your machines are on the domain, local domain, you want to pull them from SCCM, but you may not have the Intune connector defined, and if that's the case, then you would use this. And both of these properties use a cache for performance reasons, because we don't want secRMM going out and polling SCCM or Intune every time a device is mounted. We want to have a network share so we can pull the data. Okay, so if I want to test my connection to Intune, you can see that we connected to Intune and everything's good. So let me close this out, and secRMM talks to, let you know what it's doing through the event viewer. So I ran this, actually I'll just run it again right now in real time. So I'm going to plug in an Android device to the computer, and if you're running Android, you know that you have to swipe down on the Android device and change the USB charging mode from charge this device to file transfers, and then we'll see that we get the device mounts, but right away it comes back and says mobile device is not MDM enrolled, and it unmounts the device. And yeah, there's a little flash in Explorer that the operating sees the device before secRMM, but it's pretty quick so that you don't have to worry about it. So now you can see, if I refresh this, we have a 400 is an online event, and it's telling us that the device is not enrolled, and we forced it to unmount. So that's the end result when you're running as this Require MDM for secRMM. This is how you would see it as a security administrator, and as an end user, you saw that pop up. So just to finish real quick, in case you're not familiar with how all this works, here's the SCCM console, and under administration, under cloud services, you have your Microsoft Intune subscription, and this is where Microsoft has Intune communicating with SCCM. So you've got all your mobile devices on-prem, so to speak. Okay, and then up in the cloud in Azure Intune, you can see here's where you have your MDM, and this is just our little development lab, but we have 3 devices. Let me see if I can pull them up here. Here we go. And so here's the devices. Okay, so that's a quick demonstration of secRMM utilizing Microsoft's MDM and System Center to make sure that only mobile devices that are enrolled in your MDM can be used as removable storage. Thank you very much, and have a good day.